Hello again guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a browser, a functioning browser. So with tabs, and you can switch to any tabs, and I'm not really from Malaysia, I'm Taiwanese. So let's get started. First create a project and then rename your form into main form or anything you want here, and click yes. Now go and manage your nugget packages, and you can browse for any packages. Go and browse for Chef and download Chef WinForms. And also remember to switch your solution platform to 64-bit, so the Chef would work in 64-bit or 32-bit. Yeah, and then search easy tabs for the Chromium tabs. Click install and wait for it to install. The installation is pretty fast, and you can check if you have installed all that here, and you can check the updates here. Now let's get back to, and now you should add a form. It will be called like a form container, and click the add button here, and here's the form container. Now just click view code, right click and click view code, and now change this form to title bar tabs. And you should add that using easy tabs here. And then don't worry about that, we'll fix that later. So follow the instructions carefully. And now we're gonna fix that form container, that error. So create this thing and just type return in there and new title bar tab, and then you should follow the instructions carefully. After you finish coding this thing, and just like, yeah, just go to the program, and here's the running program. So let's just remove that thing, or let it be green or thing. Now just type container. Oopsies. Oh, wrong one. Now I remember. Then just type the app container, the form container, which we made the form container equals new form container. So these line of codes will be the tabs which you will need for making a browser, for making a modern browser. So let's just run the program. And now you can see that you have a tab here, which is very good, those tabs. It's like the same as Google Chrome. And here you can change the icon. So that's all for today. Remember to subscribe and like the channel.